Want to turn your skills into cash? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 in-demand skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month, no prior experience required. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these are perfect for you. Let's dive in. First up is affiliate marketing. If you enjoy promoting products and earning commissions, this skill is perfect for you. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Many affiliate marketers earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on their niche and marketing efforts. To stand out, focus on creating valuable content and building an audience. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or YouTube. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Next is blogging. If you love writing and sharing your knowledge, this skill is perfect for you. As a blogger, you'll create content that attracts readers and generates income through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Start by choosing a niche you're passionate about and creating a blog using platforms like WordPress or Blogger. Many bloggers earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on their traffic and monetization strategies. To get started, focus on creating high-quality content and promoting it on social media. With consistent effort, this skill can become a scalable income stream. Third is online research. Businesses and individuals often need help gathering information on specific topics, and that's where you come in. As an online researcher, you'll collect and analyze data to provide valuable insights. Start by learning how to use search engines, databases, and research tools effectively. Many clients pay $15 to $50 per hour for online research services, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to businesses that need help with market analysis or content research. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is translation services. If you're fluent in more than one language, you can turn that skill into a profitable online business. Businesses and individuals are always looking for translators to help them communicate across languages. Start by offering translation services for documents, websites, or even subtitles for videos. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the language pair and the complexity of the project. To get started, create a profile on platforms like ProZ or Django, or reach out to businesses that operate in multiple countries. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Finally, let's talk about 3D modeling and animation. With the rise of video games, movies, and virtual reality, 3D artists are in high demand. As a 3D modeler, you'll create realistic models and animations for various industries. Start by learning software like Blender or Autodesk Maya, which are widely used in the industry. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to game developers and animation studios. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy creating and want to tap into a growing industry. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, blogging, online research, translation services, or 3D modeling and animation, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.